Did you have a good day of practice out there, Mrs. Coleman?
Yes.
Good.
Very much so.
Good. Bella. Bella, hi. Hi.
Say hi.
Hey. There. Look at Mama. Hi. Bear. Bear. Hi. These are Sissy's babies. These are Sissy's babies right here. There's Bear and Bella.
So this is why Washingtonians endure the rain and the bad weather. It's because when we get good days, it's gorgeous. Super pretty. I don't know if you guys can see those mountains, but they're just like awesome. Look how beautiful! Little windy, but it's nice out.
Hello.
Just enjoying the beautiful views of Washington.
Yes. Oh, there went a bird.
Seagull.
We don't want the seagulls to potty. I'm gonna go this way. There's better.
There's a seagull!
There's a whole bunch of them right there in the water.
So beautiful!
Where are you at?
I'm in Olympia, Washington, and it's gorgeous.
Yes.
There's sun.
This is why we endure the rain. Because it is beautiful. When it's beautiful, it's beautiful. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, goodbye.
Bye. Hey guys! Hey! Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Here, look. Up here. Look up here.
Like, we just want to sniff and poop everywhere. We don't really care about the camera.
Yeah.
Who cares about views?
Bella, look.
We just want to go
Here.
pee.
You want this?
Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a pirate boat right there. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. So cool! I didn't know that they still had pirate boats out and about. You guys are probably like, yeah, Courtney, didn't you know that? No, I didn't. Makes me want to go to Disneyland!